Hello everyone, this is Jayan Mantilla for Hashtag Alagang Jack All Access Season 2. Mga kaibigan, let's bring you on for the very first time ever nating makikita at syempre po at gaya po ng dati na nating nakagisnan. At ngayon naman, at syempre naman at tayo po ay galak na galak po natin makilala Jackliner Bus 88130 biyaheng Santa Cruz, Laguna all the way to Avenida. At syempre naman, they are called Avenida Avengers 2. Syempre, unahin muna natin ang talata sa Bible from Saint Luke. Saint Luke found in the New Testament, and they rose up the same hour, and returned to the Jerusalem, and found the 11 gathered together, and them that were with them, saying, The Lord is risen indeed, and hath appeared to Simon. And they told that wings were done in the way, and how he was known of them in breaking of bread. And as they thus spake, Jesus himself stood in the midst of them, and said unto them, Peace be unto you. But they were terrified and affrighted, and supposed that they had seen in a spirit. And he said unto them, Why are ye troubled, and why do thoughts arise in your hearts? Behold my hands and my feet, that is I myself. Handle me and see, for a spirit hath not flesh and bones, as ye see me have. And when he had thus spoken, he shewed them his hands and his feet. And while they yet believed not for joy, and wondered, he said unto them, Have ye here any meat? And they gave him a piece of a broiled fish and of an honeycomb. And he took it, and did eat before them. And he said unto them, These are the words which I spake unto you while I was yet with you, that all things must be fulfilled, which were written in the law of Moses, and in the prophets, and in the Psalms concerning me. Then opened in their understanding, that they might understand the scriptures. That's it for the wonderful words of wisdom from Saint Luke, chapter 24, verses 33 to 45. At may natutunan po kayo at this time here in Alagang Jack, at this time at the Santa Cruz Laguna line. At syempre, at makasama natin lahat. Shout out to Alfie Absena, and of course, Zadel Fernandez, and of course, Kuya Ricky Abehon. And of course, sa lahat po ng mga kababayan po natin sa Santa Cruz Seventh-day Adventist Church, Pila Seventh-day Adventist Church, and of course, the Central Laguna District. Also as well as Calamba City Seventh-day Adventist Church, and Los Baños Seventh-day Adventist Church, mga kaibigan. And sa lahat po ng mga kababayan po natin ng mga Seventh-day Adventist, apply po kayo sa Jackliner kung may mga panahon pa kayo. And of course, para kayo ma-fulfill ang inyong work here at Jackliner. And don't forget, magsimba po kayo sa mga respective Seventh-day Adventist Church within the districts, at syempre sa dinadayo ninyo. Pag may mga dayo po kayo, syempre huwag nating kalimutang magsimba sa mismong araw ng Sabat, and to be blessed and fulfilled. At shout out po kay Kuya Bobby Fernandez at sa lahat po ng mga kasama natin sa hanap buhay, at sa lahat po ng mga kasama natin sa trabaho, at maging sa Adventist Church and beyond. Thank you very much for your support. This is Joyan Montilla. God bless us all.